Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you integrate your Dialogflow with OpenAI. So for this, I'm using Node.js. So firstly, just you have to open your code editor, and after that, just you have to come to the terminal. And after that, what you have to do is you have to write a command. First, you have to initialize the npm. So I'm storing npm init -y. So it initialize from here. So the package.json file and package.log.json file will become here. Okay. So after that, I just command npm destroy. So it just create a file called as package.json. So after that, let me quickly go to the Dialogflow. So for this, let me quickly open an account. So you just have to come to your Dialogflow. You just have to come to the Google, and after that, just you have to type Dialogflow, and over there you can see you have to just come over this link. So right now in this video, I'm going to with the Dialogflow ES. So I just go to Dialogflow ES basics, and after that, to come to the documentation, and just you have to click on a go to ES console. So this interface will come. You definitely have to accept the term and services, and after that, just you have to click on create an agent. Put the name like OpenAI Dialogflow, and I just hit create. So it's just take 5 to 10 seconds to creating and initializing the project. So let's just wait. So it just create a new project, name the title of the OpenAI, and the default. These two are the default intents that whenever you create the Dialogflow project, it will come by default. So okay, so I just create a new intent, and I just make name as menu, and after that, like I just go to the training phrases. After that, like say show me the menu, and menu what is the categories. Okay, so I just hit save. So, and after that, what I have to do, I just come to the, I just go back and just change this default welcome message. So this is, this is the parameters, this is the training phrases that user will ask, and after that, this one is the default for and these all are the response section. So I just create like, hi, I am your virtual assistant. Tell me how can I help you. So I just hit save, and after that, okay, and after that, just have to go back. So whenever if I say hi, so it will give like, hi, I'm the virtual assistant. So this message will pop up. Okay, after that, what I have to do, I want to create some cards of the image. So whenever I again want to use it, so whenever So after that, what I have to do, uh, I need some responses in the form of you say like image and quick replies. So for this, I have to let me just copy this documentation and let me came over here, and after that, I just so here is all the cards and SSMLs and all this stuff. So for right now, we need some cards, or you say like some images. So I just need to copy this one. So this is known as the image type response type. So I just come over there and I just need to copy this one. So I just copy and I just go back in the Dialogflow. So I just come over there, and after that I just say like here is the menu. So I just hit save, and after that I just create a new custom payload, because these are called as a custom payload. And after that I just for the testing purpose, I just copy this one and paste it over there and just hit save. And for the testing side, how you can test it, just go to the integration section, and after that you just go to the Dialogflow messenger and just you have to enable it. So go to try it, and after that, if I say, so you can see I say menu, so it will show me here is a menu, and it will show the card as well. So now I just go back and create a comma, and after that I just paste this URL. Okay, and after that I just copy the next image URL, and I will paste it over there. Oops. So the next one is this, copy, and I just need to paste it over there. Okay, fine, great. And this one is the last one. Copy, and then just remove this word and hit. Now I just have hit save, and let me test it again. And like either these all four are coming or not. So I just go to try it, and I say like menu, and you can see these all are came over there. You can also like use some other cards as well, like in the form of the drop down, whatever you want. So for right now you can see in this format.
अम्मी यार 2 मिनट चुप रहिएगा, अब नहीं बोलिएगा, किचन से चिल्ला दी है, दिमाग खराब। अम्मी 2 मिनट अब चुप रहिएगा। After the Dialogflow section, we move towards the OpenAI part, basically the main part, the main motive of this video. So let me quickly jump towards Dialogflow part. So for this, you have to open the OpenAI. You just have to search openai.com. So after that, just you have to go to the developer section, and after that, just you have to search for the API references. So in API references, if you log into this part, you just have to go to this section. So you have to go towards view API keys. So from there you have to generate a new API key, so through which you can access the OpenAI integration with Dialogflow. So I already done this part, so let me quickly jump towards the coding standpoint. So here's our coding standpoint. So I just create a new file, new folder known as OpenAI slash dash Dialogflow. So over there you just have to write two commands. So if you write these commands, the first one is npm init, so it initialize the npm init minus y. So it initialize all the package.json in this in this file. So it generates basically the package.json file, and after that you just have to npm install. So it create package.log.json file. So after that, what we have to do, we have to create a new file known as server.js. After creating this file, we just have to add some packages over there that we can use in this project. So I already done this part, so I just copy all of them and then I can use in my coding stuff. So these are the libraries that we can have to use in this project. So the first one, and definitely we have to add these over there, so I just have to run the command clear, and after that I just use the command npm install, and after that I just copy all of them. So the first one is, and after that the second one is Dialogflow fulfillment, and after that copy and paste, copy paste, and the last one is XCRs, and I just hit enter. So it will install all of the packages. So these all are the package, and definitely we don't need to use this Twilio portion, so we can even able to remove this particular package as well. So because we don't need to add any Twilio part. So after that we can definitely use this client session that will store all of our session whenever the Dialogflow stuff will be calling, and after that I just add these two stuff that will be come from the OpenAI section, because we have to use the configuration and OpenAI key. So I just add the form of variable, and this will be called from OpenAI. And after that, here is the OpenAI key. So I just add in the env part. We can able to use directly over there the OpenAI key. We can able to use the key directly over there also. And after that I just console the message. So this will be here, that will console the message, like console the key stuff like the configuration, and in the configuration the API key. So in this word in this word it will show the OpenAI key, and after that I just initialize, or you say like create a new OpenAI key configuration section. And here is the part, and the question is how you can able to see this part. So you have to go to the playground section, and after that if you go to the viewport section you can able to see the same stuff. Here's a Node.js, so it will be the same stuff that you can able to see in this part. So after that I just get this stuff like the response section. So I just add this over there. So this is all come from the OpenAI standpoint. So after that I just initialize the express, and after that these all are the part from the express section, or you say like server section. So I just add this. So it initialize, or it add express, and after that we initialize the port, and after the port it will initialize these all stuff like whenever we hit, or you say like hit the URL, so it will show like if the status is okay, so it will send the response in our server like the status is okay. And after that this is the main section, because that this particular stuff handles the Dialogflow standpoint. So after that what we have to do, we have to create a post request. So post request is handle the stuff that will be calling towards the Dialogflow section. So this particular step is, create a new session. This will be come from here. So the session, the Dialogflow session over there. So after that, here is the agent that will be handle our request and response, and definitely it comes from the Dialogflow fulfillment section. So over there you can able to see this, the Dialogflow fulfillment. Okay, and after that, if there is a fallback, so and we are calling this stuff in our fallback section. So whenever the Dialogflow unable to understand what the user is saying, so it will definitely go towards the OpenAI section. So it will, that particular response will come from Dialogflow section. So this one is, so the request.body.queryResult.action, that will, let me quickly show you like why how it can handle by the fallback section. So we are using the context API. So if the API if the action input is unknown, then it will be the response will be come from here. And then after, if they're not able to understand this section, then you see like it will be getting from this part. So and the response will be going like, sorry, I am unable to help that. So this is all the coding standpoint. So let me quickly add the key over there. So now we can add this stuff, because we have, for accessing the OpenAI section, we need to add the API key. So for this, I just come to this section, the text generation, and I will add the key. Okay, here it is. So after that, this all stuff will be done perfectly. So for now, I just go to this section and I just run the command npm node1 server.js. So let's see like our server is start running or not. So it will see like the node1 new version is available right now. It's good. Okay, just take some time maybe. I don't know why my system is quite slow. So it's say like server is start running, and it will show the key as well. So after that, what we have to do, we just have to install another package named as Ngrok. So I just the command npm install Ngrok. So it will, this particular library, or you say like this particular stuff is helping us to create an HTTP URL. So that particular URL we can able to use in the Dialogflow standpoint, in the Dialogflow webhook portion. So it's like unsupported, and then so it just is installing. And after that, what we have to do, we just run a command ngrok http, and after that the port name is 5000. So I just 5000, and let's see. So it will give us the HTTP URL. I just copy this one, and I just need to paste it on. I just go to the Dialogflow, and I have to go to the fulfillment section, and after that I just go to the webhooks section. So after this URL, we handle the post request in /Dialogflow. So after that, we definitely have to use /Dialogflow, and I just hit the save. Okay, now after that, I just copy this message, and we handle another function, or you say like another stuff. So this aim is hi. So let me change the message of same as were there. So it will definitely help us to show like the responses come from server or not. And we have to enable the fulfillment and hit save. And after that we have to go to the fallback section and definitely have to enable this also. So I just again hit save. Now just let's test like how basically it's working, it's perfectly or not. So I say hi, so the console message is showing like this particular message it's come from our server section. And now if I say like what is React, so you know this particular stuff has come from OpenAI section, because we don't add any intent that handle this particular stuff. So after that let's go towards the integration section, and I have to enable this one, and I just copy this copy this over there. And after that I just create a new file name as index.html, and I just create the boilerplate and just hit this. I just click on go live, and we can able to see this in the chatbot website chatbot. So now I'm the virtuous, and after that I say like what is the population of Karachi, let's see. So it is sent according to the 27 census, the population of Karachi is estimate. So this particular stuff has come from OpenAI portion. So this is how basically you can integrate our section. So, and also you can see this all of the quiz come from the Dialogflow standpoint, from the OpenAI standpoint. So this is how you can integrate your Dialogflow with OpenAI. So till hope so you can able to learn how this particular stuff is using. So